Should the court allow Total Energies to extract oil and gas in our ocean, it will be a total disaster for our coastal communities. We are activists for the safety and the health of the environment. And we are here today to support the case of the fishers in terms of claiming what is rightfully theirs. Because we are saying no to oil and gas as we have a cultural connection to our oceans. Not only that, but the communities, specifically the fishing communities, coastal communities, they are making a living out of the ocean. And there's nothing else for them.